Hello everyone, I'm Lucas DeMarchi from Full Gauge USA, and I'm wrapping up my visit to Full Gauge factory in Brazil. I would like to share with you a little bit what I saw. Come and take a look. This is our new innovation center, responsible for some of the industry's most exclusive technologies, where ideas becomes realities. Our innovation center includes a state-of-the-art design facility equipped with graphic tablets and some of the latest 3D printers, which prints even prototype molds that can be used in our plastic injection department for product validation. This is our plastic injection department, where the magic begins. We have added the latest machinery and equipment to deliver a fine, precise, and robust plastic enclosures to our electronic controllers. Here we make over 300,000 plastic parts per month with only 10 employees, thanks to our fully automated manufacturing process.
Test and validation are a crucial aspect of our product development. We count on two fully automated labs equipped with actual applications and advanced software, which simulates different situations that are commonly found in the field, allowing for validation of performance and identification of potential improvement.
Besides automated testing, we also perform actual product testing and validation through our walk-in cooler and freezer and other equipment, allowing to certify performance. These are two of our PCB assembling lines, and I'll take you in a quick tour. We have a scanner that micro-inspects each board and guarantees a superior quality for every product. Some of the components, like displays, are manually inserted, and as you can see at the end, there is a quality control checkpoint. This is one of our final manufacturing process, where firmwares are recorded and the electronics meets the plastic. "100% of our products are tested before packing, ensuring that the controllers are ready to market." A big part of our success is due to our team, the talent people behind the brand. We have over 300 members and we value their well-being. Our expansion is continued. Here we are finalizing another 3,000 square foot of manufacturing facility. And here we are, the last stage where products goes to shelf. We keep stock on every product. That's why we have the best lead time within the industry. I'm back in the States, here at our US headquarter in Miami, Florida. I hope you have enjoyed our factory tour, and I look forward to work with you on your next project. Thank you.